Hello everyone. This is TN Koshi from our Danish Senior Secondary School, Malapalli. Today I would like to introduce you all to the endangered animals in India. There are 7 endangered animal species in India. They are Asiatic lion, Bengal tiger, snow leopard, Nilgiri tahr, Kashmiri red stag, black buck and one-horned rhinoceros. Asiatic lion. Asiatic lions once prowled from the Middle East to India. Now, only a fraction of these magnificent animals survive in the wild. The Gir Forest dry teak woods were once a royal hunting ground. Today, they are a reserve where these at-risk big cats are heavily protected. Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger, also known as the Royal Bengal tiger or the Indian tiger, is the subspecies with the largest population. It is the national animal of India, where its image is part of the traditions and the culture. In Bangladesh, it is also the national animal present even in the bills. Snow leopard. Snow leopard live in the mountainous region of Central and Southern Asia. In India, their geographical range encompasses a large part of the western Himalayas, including the state of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh in the eastern Himalayas. Nilgiri tahr. This species is found in a roughly 400 km stretch in the Western Ghats, which falls in the state of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The local distribution of the species is attributed to the animal's preference for the habitat with grasslands with steep rocky cliff shelters. The Iravikulam National Park has the highest density and largest surviving population of Nilgiri tahr. Kashmiri red stag. The International Union of Conservation of Nature is going to declare the Kashmiri red stag, also known as hangul, as a critically endangered species. It is found in dense riverine forest in the high valleys and mountains of Kashmir Valley and northern Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. Black buck, also known as the Indian antelope, male black buck are strikingly handsome animals with long spiraling horns marked with rings and distinctly marked faces with white patches around their eyes. Their bodies have contrasting countershading with white underparts against their black back and legs. Black buck now mainly occur in India with a small population in Nepal. They like open habitats such as grassy plains and thinly forested areas, which allow them to spot predators from long distance as well as providing grassy forage. One-horned rhinoceros. The great one-horned rhino is commonly found in Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, and in Assam, India. It is confined to the tall grasslands and forests in the foothills of the Himalayas. The Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park in Assam, Pobitora Reserve Forest in Assam, having the highest Indian rhino density in the world. Orang National Park of Assam, Lokova Reserve Forest of Assam, having a very small population, and Royal Chitwan National Park in Nepal are homes for this endangered animal. With this, we come to the end of this presentation. Thank you.